Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota camper van, a vehicle built for travelers, families, and anyone who loves hitting the road without leaving comfort behind. This new model blends modern design, smart engineering, and adventure-ready practicality into one impressive package. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota camper van carries a bold but friendly look, pairing smooth aerodynamic lines with a squared-off stance that feels both modern and practical. The LED lighting design wraps around the body beautifully, while the extended roofline hints at the generous space waiting inside. Performance-wise, Toyota has tuned this camper van to feel confident on long highways and challenging back roads. Its hybrid powertrain delivers strong torque, smooth acceleration, and excellent efficiency for a vehicle of its size. The suspension setup absorbs rough surfaces nicely, making the ride comfortable whether you're cruising or exploring off the beaten path. Inside, the 2026 Toyota camper van really stands out. The layout is designed to maximize comfort and functionality, offering flexible seating, a cozy sleeping area, and a compact kitchen module for travelers on the go. Soft-touch materials and smart storage compartments help keep the interior feeling premium without sacrificing practicality for long-distance journeys. Technology also plays a major role in this camper van. Toyota includes a large infotainment system, wireless connectivity, advanced navigation, and a digital control panel for managing climate settings, lighting, and battery levels. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane support, and 360-degree monitoring ensure that every trip feels secure and stress-free. What makes the 2026 Toyota camper van even more appealing are its unique features designed specifically for adventurers. The pop-up roof expands the interior height, making it easy to stand and move around. Solar panels integrated into the roof help keep electronics powered, while the modular interior allows users to customize the space for different needs. For families, the van offers multiple charging ports, foldable tables, privacy blinds, and durable flooring made to withstand heavy use. Travelers will appreciate the built-in water system, optional outdoor shower attachment, and cleverly designed ventilation that keeps the interior fresh. Everything inside feels thoughtfully engineered for comfort during both short and extended trips. Toyota has clearly built this camper van with versatility in mind. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, long road trips, or a full-time travel lifestyle, the 2026 model adapts to your needs with ease. It strikes a great balance between mobility and livability, making it an excellent choice for anyone ready to experience the freedom of the open road. Before we wrap up, the 2026 Toyota camper van proves that Toyota understands what modern travelers need: reliability, comfort, efficiency, and the ability to feel at home wherever the journey leads. It brings together thoughtful engineering and real-world practicality in a way that makes adventure more accessible for everyone. If you're dreaming of exploring new horizons, this camper van might be your perfect companion. We hope you enjoyed this overview today. Thanks for watching.